Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is your teacher speaking, Ahmed Musameh, and we are still with the ELET104 computer programming. Inshallah, today we will talk about Module 7. This is our lecture for today, Module 7. The topic of this lecture is pointers. Defining a pointer, you have to know what is the definition of a pointer. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. That means that a pointer, we connect the pointer with another variable in order for this pointer to get the address and some values. Okay, let's see an example here. How to define a pointer in C language. First of all, we have to mention the data type of this variable pointer, and we have used the star and the variable name semicolon. Data type, as we know, it is integer, float, char, or double. Star, we have to write the star and then the pointer name or the variable name, and we have to end it with the semicolon. Example, define an integer type pointer name r. So this is int star, r is the name of the pointer, and semicolon. Okay. Example, how to connect the pointer with the variable. For example, we say here integer a equal 5. So here we have a variable, its name a, its value is 5, and the data type is integer. So we have this small table here. Okay, variable a, the value of 5 is 5, and for this a, it has an address inside the computer memory. The address, we always use the ampersand. The ampersand, we always use it in order to indicate the address where this variable is located, the location of this variable. And suppose the address is 253F, for example. Now we have another variable, it's called integer star AP. AP is a variable, its type is pointer, okay, and the data type is integer. So we come here, this is our table, the variable star AP, variable named AP, and it's a pointer. Okay, in order to connect the pointer with the variable a, we say AP equal ampersand a semicolon. This here, this statement, it will connect the pointer AB with the variable a. This means the values stored in a, it will be copied to star AP, the 5, it will be copied to AP, and the address of a 253F, it will be copied to AB. Okay, so this is how we connect the pointer with the variable. Remember, we are connecting the pointer with a variable. This is number one. Number two, they have to be of the same data type, meaning integer pointer with integer variable, float pointer with a float variable. You are not allowed. It's a big mistake if you connect a float pointer with an integer variable. This is a mistake. So both of them, the variable and the pointer, they have to share the same data type. Okay. So this is very important. I put here a star. That means the pointer and the variable, they have to be the same data type. When you connect the pointer with the variable, all the values, the address of the variable a, it will be copied to the value. It will go to star AP. The address of a, it will go to AP without anything in front of it. For example, look at this example. What is the output generated by this program using pointers? Given memory address ampersand u equal F8E. So this is already given to you in the question, and this is very important. Okay, this will help you solve this program. Include the stdio.h void main integer u equal 3. So that means this is our table. We have a variable named u. The value of this u, this variable is 3. It has an address inside the computer memory. We use ampersand u. It is F8E, F8E. Then we finish with this one. Now we come to the next one. Integer star pu. That means pu is a variable. Its type is pointer, and the data type is integer. That means I can connect this pointer with this variable because they share the same data type. Pu equal ampersand lu. Now we connected the pointer with the variable u. That means all the items, all the values and the address of u, it will be copied to star pu, and the address of u, it will be copied to pu. Okay, as we write here, value of u, the address. Okay, remember always the address copied into star pu. The address will be copied to pu. So here when we say printf backslash n u equal ampersand u pu star pu. Oh, and this is the output. U is equal to 3. This is the value. Ampersand u is F8E. This is already given in the question. PU is the address of this pointer, and star PU is the value of U, which is 3. Okay, this is another example. This is another example. What is the output generated by this program using pointers? Given memory, ampersand of x equal 2238. Include void main integer x equal 20. So we have a variable named x. Its value is 20. And the address of this variable is 2238. Okay, and then we have declared another variable IP, which is a pointer, and the data type is integer. That means we can connect this pointer with this variable because of the same data type, IB equal ampersand x. Remember, we are connecting the pointer with the variable, So when we do this, that means all the values of x will be copied to a star IP and IP. The value of x20, it will be copied to star IP. The address of x, it will be copied to IP. Here, printf address of x, ampersand x, it will give us 2238. Address stored in IP, this is the same as ampersand x, 2238. The value star IP, this will give us the value of x, which is 20, the value of x, which is 20. Okay, so this is some examples. Integer x, integer star px. Which one is the correct answer to connect the px with the x? So we have, this is the answer, px equal ampersand x. This will connect this pointer with the variable x. What is the output of the following program? Given float f 1.5 star pf, pf equal ampersand f. Now we connected the pointer with the variable. That means all the values of f, it will be copied into the pf. Printf %f star pf, that means the value of f, which is 1.5. Okay, this is another question here, giving the following variables and pointers. So this is variables and this is pointers. And to see is it valid or invalid, to connect the pointer with the variable. So here, pointer d equal ampersand a. Can we connect this pointer with the variable a? This is valid because this is integer and this is integer. That means we can connect them together. E equal ampersand a. E is float, it's a pointer. E is a pointer, data type is float, and we want to connect it with A. A is integer, so we cannot connect float with integer. So this is invalid, wrong. They have to be the same data type, E equal ampersand B, float star E, and this is float B. So we can connect the pointer E with the variable B because they are the same data type, float, and so on. Okay, here, what is the output of the following program? Given address of x1233, the address of y equal 1245, include stdio.h, void main, integer x equal 1, star px, float y 1.5, star py. So here we define variable x, its value is 1, and the address is 1233. We define another variable y, its value is 1.5, and the address is 1245. Okay, now we connect the pointer px with the variable x. Once we connect the pointer px with x, that means the value of x, it will go to star px. the address of x, it will go to px. Okay, so here when we say printf star px, which is equal 1, px, which is equal the address of x. Then here, py equal ampersand y, we connected the pointer py with y, and this is the output. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed ELET104 computer programming, and inshallah we'll see you in other courses. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. And this will conclude our module 7. Thank you.